very good morning children. Welcome to our channel BRC Maths Academy. Today in this video session we are going to discuss about exercise 2.2. Okay, let us see the first question. If A equals to 1 2 3 4 and B equals to 1 2 3 5 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Intersection means in the previous session we already discussed the common elements we should take, isn't it? So here A intersection B equals to, what is A? 1 2 3 4 intersection. What is B? 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6. Common elements means what are the common elements we are seeing here in both of them? 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we have to take the same elements among these two as 1 2 3, that is A intersection B. Now coming to B intersection A, the set B 1 2 3 5 6, A 1 2 3 4. Again if you see 1 2 3 are the common elements, so we should write 1 2 3. So what we are observing here, both the times we are getting the same answer, so we should write A intersection B equals to B intersection A. A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So this one you can show by the Venn diagram like this: A B mu. Common elements 1 2 3 now, so 1 2 3. The remaining 4 here in the first set A, and in the second set 5 6. So this becomes as A intersection B, whereas B intersection A, this is B A mu. Common elements 1 2 3, B 5 6 and 4. If you see, this is the portion, common portion we will see. So this is a Venn diagram. Now the second problem, A equals to 0 to 4, find A intersection pi and A intersection A. Here pi means this is the empty set or null set. So let us take the first one, A intersection pi. A, the set A is given 0 2 4, intersection pi means empty set. Pi means empty set, means nothing we have to write. So intersection means the common elements which are presented in both the sets we have to take, isn't it? So are there any elements common in both of these two? No. Means again we will be getting empty set, which is pi. So we observed that A intersection pi equals to pi. Let us take another one, A intersection A. A 0 to 4, intersection again 0 to 4, isn't it? If you see what are the common elements will be there, the same 0 to 4 will be there. 0 to 4 means it again equals to A. So what we can conclude here, A intersection A equals to A. So this is about the second bit. Now the third bit, it is given that A equals to 2 4 6 8 10, the set, and B equals to 3 6 9 12 15. Now he is asking to find out what is A minus B and B minus A. A minus B. Let us find out A minus B. What is A set? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus what is B set? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And common elements we should strike off. What are the same elements here we are having in both of them? 6. That's all. So the remaining elements from the set A we should take, means 2, 4, 8, 10. This will be the answer of A minus B. And B minus A, set B we should write first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are the common elements here we are having? 6. 6 will be striked off from the both of the two sets, and the first set elements we should write 3, 9, 12, 15. So if you observe, are we getting both the answers same? No. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. They are not equal. So how we will represent A minus B and B minus A by Venn diagram? Let us see. A minus B I am drawing here. A, B, mu. The common element we are having 6 here, no? And remaining 2, 4, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10 in the set A. And in the set B, except 6, 3, 9, 12, 15. 3, 9, 12, 15. A minus B means B will be removed. This B will be removed, means only we can see this one. Okay. This is A minus B. B minus A means B set A mu. 6 is the common element. In the B set we have 3, 9, 12, 15 remaining elements, and here 2, 4, 8, 10. So this is the portion which we will call it as B minus A. So like that we can show if he is asking to draw Venn diagrams for the given problem. Now see the fourth bit. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset to B, then what is A union B? Explain by giving an example. Okay. So here one condition is given, A subset B. A subset B means if every element of set A is there in set B, we will write that A is subset to B. So like that we have to assume here example, let A equals to 1, 2, 3 I am taking here, and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you observe, every element of set A is there in set B, so we will write A is subset to B. A is subset to B. And now the question is asking, what is A union B? So what is A? The set 1, 2, 3 union, isn't it? B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union means we will club all the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but B. So what did you observe here? A union B will be equal to B, where A is subset to B. So this is one formula we can say from this problem. Now see the fifth bit. Let A equals to X such that X is a natural number. Natural numbers means starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And B is equals to X such that X is an even natural number. Even natural numbers are nothing but even numbers. What are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, like that, isn't it? C is equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number means odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, like that, isn't it? And D is equals to x such that x is a prime number. Prime number starts from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like that, so on. So like that we have to take each set here considering. Means the set builder forms we have to write in a roster form before doing the problem. So here natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Let us write like that. And B is even natural numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, like that you will get. And what are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on, it will be there. And the last set is given prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, like that. Now he is asking to find what is A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. See, if you see all are of the same type, let us take 3 problems among these. First one and this one and the last one. So let us consider A intersection B. What is the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Intersection. What is the set B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Intersection means the common same elements we should take among the two sets. What are the same elements we are having here? 2, 4, like that. Means here we should write 2, 4, so on. Means it will be continued like that, isn't it? Now take another one, B intersection C. What is B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Intersection. What is C? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. If you see common elements, are you seeing any common elements in both of them? No. These are even, those are odd, means we won't get any common elements. Common elements we won't get means no answer will be there, nothing will be there in the set. That is nothing but empty set. Empty set represented with the letter pi. So B intersection C is equals to pi. The last one, C intersection D. What is C? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. And what is D? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. And what are the same elements you are seeing here? 3, isn't it? 5, 7, means 3, 5, 7, so on, like that you will be getting this one. Now you see the sixth bit. If A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equals to the set 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and D is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. He is asking to find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus D, D minus B. If you see, all the problems are of a similar type we have to do. So let us take 3 problems from this, and the remaining problems you can do, isn't it? See the first one, I am taking here A minus B. What is A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And what is B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. if you see what are the common elements among these two, 12, and that's all. So except these common elements, the remaining elements from the set A we should write, means 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. This will be the first one. Now take down the another problem, seventh one, B minus C. What is B set? We have to write here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. This is B. Minus C. C set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Again you see the common elements 4, okay, then 8, then 12, 16. So the remaining elements from the set 20. So this will be of the 7th bit. Now the 10th problem, D minus B. What is the set D? 5, 10, 15, 20 minus what is B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now the common elements 20. So the common elements will be removed among these two, and the only first set remaining elements we should write 5, 10, 15. Okay, like that this bit we have to do. Now see the last bit, 7th one. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answers. See, all these bits are regarding disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means suppose I am taking 1, 2, 3 A and B is equals to 4, 5, 6. Are any common elements among these two sets? No. If no common elements are there, those two sets are called disjoint sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means the first set A, all the elements must be different, and the second set B, all the elements must be different. Then if you find out A intersection B, are there any common elements? No. So we will get a null set. If A intersection B is equal to pi, AB are called disjoint sets. Means the simple thing is A will be different and B also will be different. Means no common element should be there. If you see the first question, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is repeating. Means is it true? No, it is false. Why the first one is false? Because an element 3 is common among the two sets. That is the reason. See the second one, A, E, I, O, U. Here A is repeated. So since A is repeated, this also will be false, because these two are not disjoint sets. 2, 6, 10, 14. Are there any common elements among these two? No. 2, 6, 10, 14. Here no 2, no 6, 10, 14. No repetition is there. So we have to write it is true. The last one, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. Here also repetition is not there. So we have to write yes, they are true. They are disjoint sets. Clear? So with this we have completed exercise 2.2 children. You repeat this video 2-3 times at home and prepare your own notes. If anybody is not still subscribed, you tell to your friends to subscribe. Okay? Thank you children.